Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to first start off by thanking everybody for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, that way you're notified every time I post a video. Now, let's go ahead and jump in. I actually have some letters here, some large letters that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to actually be decorating this letter O. I don't want to damage the letter with the hot glue, so I decide I'm going to just take some rope and I'm going to wrap it around the O. And you want to make sure you look on the back and make sure your little hanger is in the up position. And I'm going to take and just glue here, and I'm going to press it together. And I'm just going to wrap this a total of 6 times because that's how many sunflowers I'm going to be placing on. So you want to make sure your rope is pulled in the desired area. Make sure it's even. I want to make sure it's definitely on the side. And I'm just going to take more glue and I'm going to take that piece and lay it across it and press it down. Now, this sunflower, I took them off of the stem. So this little peg right here, I'm just gonna cut it down, not all the way down, but just halfway. As you can see, it's still a little peg on there. You don't want to cut it back too far because I don't want the sunflower falling apart on me. So I'm gonna add my glue and I'm going to stick it on the rope. I'm gonna stick it directly on the rope. You can stick it sideways on the rope or you can stick it directly on the rope. It's up to you. Okay, I'll add my next sunflower. Guys, y'all might hear some noise in the background. I'm actually getting my lawn cut, and I thought that I would be able to do this video before they got here, so I apologize. Okay, the last one. Okay, this is how it looks. Now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hang it, and here's the look. Now my O is placed a little bit over. I want to kind of do like a swag type of look. But you can actually have them straight up and down. You can have them, you know, like jumping around. It's totally up to you. But guys, tell me what y'all think. Leave your comments below. Now you can purchase these letters from Hobby Lobby. They have them in different sizes. I did get these when they was on sale, and I think they turned out great. I'm always wishing y'all love, peace, and happiness. Bye.